Hi sir, this is Ben Sparks,
And I'm Leslie.
and this is our project, our AC lamp dimmer circuit using an Arduino,
Controlled by a remote.
which can be turned on and off using channel plus and channel down, and it can be lightened, and we can light it up and down using volume plus and volume down. So we will show its on and off capability. Off, on, off, on. Now sir, we're going to dim it down 16 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now sir, we're going to light it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So sir, that's our AC lamp dimmer circuit. Project. So this is our zero crossing detector. We were able to publish it in a PCB. This is what on the breadboard part is just the IR receiver, the Arduino, the lamp, the laptop, Jaime,
Paipakin natin.
and me. Sir, thank you po.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.